Alright, we are back out here in Lake Placid for the final leg of the NAC. So we have another 3 2-man races and another 3 4-man races here, and then we go home for Christmas. So it's whittling down real quick, but yeah, we just got to keep the focus and keep doing what we're doing. So a quick roundup of how Park City went. So we had 2 races each, 4-man and 2-man in Park City. So with the 2-man we finished 8th and 16th, and then in the 4-man we finished 5th and 8th in those races. So 2-man again, little mishap, but it's how the sport goes, man. You just got to keep going. And the 4-man, some really good results for us and good points. Wasn't a bad leg for us. Could have been better, but hey, we just keep plugging forward and trying to get those points in. So I've been asked a couple of times about being in the Air Force, so I thought I'd just do a little spiel about it. So yeah, so I joined the RAF in 2011 as an RAF regiment gunner. We're basically force protection for the Air Force, both home and away. So long story short, we're basically infantry within the Air Force. The Air Force, we have this thing called the Elite Athlete Scheme, where if you are good enough at a particular sport, you are given the opportunity to be able to pursue your sporting goals and see how high you can get within that sport. So it's one of the great things about the Air Force, which gives you opportunities like that, and there's plenty of other opportunities within the Air Force as well for both male and female. So, and I absolutely love it. Like I've been all over the world and seen all sorts of crazy stuff, and look at me now. Like I never would have even been a bobslayer if I didn't join the Air Force. So if it's something that you think you'd be interested in doing, I'll probably put a link in the description below, so you can go and check out all the great opportunities that are available in the Air Force for both male and female. So yeah, that's basically a short sort of little insight into my RAF career. So since we've been here in Placid, we've done 2 paid training sessions. So we took the 2-man down yesterday, we took the 4-man down. So far so good. A few little bits to clean up on. Like I haven't driven this track in, I think it's 3 years since the last time I've driven this track. But yeah, you know you're at Placid when you go down, because this track is like no other track. Yeah, I can't even explain it to you. It's just the transitions here are just next level. But yeah, but so far so good. We've got a day off today, day off tomorrow, and then official training starts. So we're going to hit the ground running again, and then hopefully get these races out of the way, and then we can go home for Christmas. So stay tuned, and I'll try and keep you all updated. One of the crazy things about Placid as well is there's 20 bends on this track, and you can crash from corner 2. So yeah, so you just got to be on your A games all the time, man, on this track.
Nice and cold, baby. 18 degrees, -7 Celsius.
1-7.
Yeah.
yesterday. We qualified the 4-man, so we did 3 practice runs and 4-man yesterday. So 4-man's qualified for the race, so we're gonna jump in the 2-man today, and then get that qualified and get ready for some intense racing. So
today's gonna be my first time in 2-man. Let's see how it goes.
Are you excited?
I am.
How you feel getting back in the flight today?
Yeah, feel good. Feel good to get another washing machine run.
Excited?
Very. So excited. No, it's good. Look forward to it. One more run. One more run.
Two-man race day today, so it's actually not bad weather today. It's quite warm, so hopefully should be some good ice. Shouldn't be crazy Lake Placid ice anyway. But yeah, should be a good day. Just gotta get the first one out of the way, and then we've got another 2 more races, and then we head into 4-man stuff as well. So no, should be good.
2-man race day. Let's get it.
Get it, boys. I'll be supporting the line. I'm up tomorrow, then back to Ash, and then 4-man. We got this. So we are here reporting live in a Lake Placid,
Yeah.
where we have with me
Yeah.
Ashley Watson.
Yeah.
Am I pushed to 2-man today? Ashley, how you feel today?
Rapid now.
Okay. I should say a man think them bad and them can outstart we. How you think about that?
No chance.
Okay. If you just follow me, we're gonna have a quick word with the coach. He's a big man.
Yeah.
Nobody can test him.
Yeah.
Yo, coach, how you feeling today?
You know, based on how things are going, I feel irie.
Okay.
Wake up early this morning, burn a big head, drink a Guinness,
Wall of vibe.
whole of vibes and whole of meds, and you know, don't know everything up. Yeah.
I saw it go. Big man match you out. Say no more. One love.
And reggae.
900, it's now 800 back. He's crossing the line.
How was it?
Yeah, it wasn't a bad run. It wasn't a bad.